Shopify Blog Tutorial 2023, How to Start a Blog on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about how you can make yourself a full-fledged blog on Shopify. And obviously we know Shopify is like the cream of e-commerce stores and everything. Shopify is amazing for your designing and creation, and it's an absolutely helpful thing to have for your website design, your website creation. And obviously we're going to be discussing on how you can use this absolutely incredible tool for yourself, for your essential designings and everything. So it's going to be really fun, really easy, and really good stuff. So obviously, what I want you to do is watch this video fully till the end to actually learn and gain knowledge about the topic that I am going to be presenting to you. So if you do that properly till the end, then I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you and I both are going to have one of the greatest looking blogs on Shopify. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Now, to start ourselves off, obviously you're going to come to shopify.com and you're going to make sure to have an account. Okay, now obviously I assume before starting this video off that you already have an account, okay? Because basically setting yourself up with Shopify is one of the most simplest things. And yeah, I hope that you already have an account. So once you have an account, you're gonna go on login. I also hope that you have the proper plans, okay? If you're on the free trial, then this video might not be for you, but if you're on the basic plan, then this should work for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to log in to your store or your, proper Shopify thing going on. Now, once you're over here, obviously it's going to give you all these things, etc., online store, all that stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here in online store, and we're going to make some blog posts. Okay, where down here, as you can see, it says blog posts, and this is the main thing that we want to keep our eyes on. This is the main thing that we want to focus on. So blog posts are mainly what your blog consists of, obviously, and we're going to want to make sure that we have proper blog posts that are properly related to our Shopify page. So first of all, let's go ahead and set up our theme. Let's go ahead and make our store actually look good. And as you can see, I have a product over here and we have a whole theme going on. Pretty basic, pretty nice stuff. So once we've understood all of this, you're gonna want to make sure to actually have a good and proper idea of how a blog post works. So obviously, to take idea, you can go to blogger.com and get the whole general layout and general outface on how things are supposed to actually look like. So once you've understood that, then you're going to come over to blog post. Okay, now in blog posts, obviously it's going to give you here this thing, write a blog post. Blog posts are a great way to build a community around your products and your brand. So obviously let's go ahead and create blog posts. Now once you're over here, blog about your latest products or deals. So let's say I'm going to write trial blog post. Okay, we're going to write that. And then obviously over here, you're going to write content and you're going to write your description. So obviously you can go ahead and start writing all the main description for your blog post and page. And obviously you can choose if you want to write it in content, or you can even write it in embedded HTML code if you can. But obviously in this case, what I'm going to do is click on edit website SEO. So it says search engine listing preview. Add a description to see how this blog post might appear in a search engine listing. So let me show you what this means. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead. So basically, if you were to go on a new tab, okay, and in a new tab, you can see all these things. Let's say I'm gonna write 5 let's say milkshakes. Okay, I'm just gonna write 5 milkshakes. So let me show you what the product listing is actually like. So you're gonna scroll down here, and these descriptions that you can see firsthand, these are your SEO listings. So obviously we're gonna want to make sure that these descriptions of ours, or these SEO listing of ours, these are actually something to be admired. They're something that when the audience sees them, they actually have a good point of view of our website, and they have a good understanding of our website. Okay, and these are pretty essential things. So we're going to want to make sure to actually have a good outlook of them. And once you do that, obviously down here, you can see all these things. So you can choose your store admin. Blog could, have different actions, or you can just make it blog news. You can put up tags, and obviously you're going to choose it from news to maybe create a new blog, and you can, create a new blog and then enter a proper blog name for yourself and everything. And you can also add excerpt, which is add a summary of the post to appear on your homepage or blog. And obviously you can go ahead and add a proper summary, or you can just write an HTML code as I stated. Now, once you do that, obviously you're going to click on save, and wait, let me just keep a blog title. There we go. You can also keep a featured image for your blog if you want to. So as you can see, you've just created a blog post for yourself. Now, for the blog post to actually appear on your page, you're going to first of all go on navigation. So let's say I'm going to go on main menu, and I'm going to go on add menu item. I'm going to click on blog, and then I'm going to link it to my blog posts. So there we go, H, as I added it. I'm going to click on add, and I'm going to click on save menu. Now, it won't immediately be implemented on my page, but let's go ahead and see. It's not going to be immediately implemented. You're going to have to give it a few seconds. But yeah, there you go. So here in the menu, as you can see, it says blog. You're going to click on it, and here's H. And obviously, here's going to be your blog, and you're going to start adding all your contents over here. So obviously, then you can go ahead and add more and more things using the main Shopify editor. Like, let's say you're going to come in online store, and here's your main theme. Now, to add more things, just go on customize. And once you go on customize, obviously it's gonna load you into the main Shopify editor. And once you're into the main Shopify editor, obviously over here, you can just switch the pages, and you can go to, the trial blog post page that you just created. And to do that, you can come here, go on blogs, and here's the one post that you have, which is H. And obviously you can go ahead and start adding more and more informational items for yourself. So yeah, that's basically about it when it comes to actually creating a blog for your Shopify store. Okay, so if I were to go through all of the things, just one last time, and just going through them in a tad bit detail. So what you're gonna do, obviously, go ahead to your Shopify.com Google page. Over there, make yourself a good, powerful, strong Shopify account. Once you're done with that, obviously you're going to go ahead and make sure that that account is strong, it's fully functional, it works properly. And once you are done with all of that, from there on out, what you're going to want to do is you're going to move over to your, theme store section. And obviously over here, choose a theme, choose a proper thing going on, choose a proper, setting going on with your blog post and everything. And once you do that, just come down here in blog posts. And once you're down here in blog posts, from there on out, just, start creating stuff, adding things. You can remove blog posts as well. It totally depends on you on what style of blog post you want to keep, what is the theme, what's the setting, and what's, the essence of the blog post. So yeah, that's basically about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed it, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's basically about it for this video. Thank you for watching this video up till the end. I truly appreciate it. Drop down a like. And yeah, I'll see all of you next time. Till then, have a great day. Goodbye.